Okay, in this video we're going to have a look at phytoextraction versus mining ores from the ground directly. And before we get into this, let's just remember that phytoextraction, the word phyto is to do with plant. So this is extraction of metals using plants. And to do that, we grow the plants in a soil that contains the metal compounds. And what those plants will then do is they'll absorb the metal compounds into the plant via the roots. We then harvest the plant as it grows. We dry it out, we can burn it, that will leave us with ash, and from that ash we can extract the metal from the ash. And to get that out of the ash, we either use electrolysis or we use a displacement reaction to obtain the metal we want. What's the advantages of phytoextraction versus mining from ores? Well, phytoextraction allows us to use low-grade ores. So that's ores that maybe you wouldn't want to dig out of the ground because it wouldn't have high concentrations of the metal in there. So this would allow that to become a useful way of doing it. Using phytoextraction, there's less carbon dioxide produced. You think about mining, we've got heavy machinery that's working away, that's going to be processing the ore from the ground. It's going to produce a lot of CO2. Phytoextraction produces less noise. Machinery, we've already said, is very noisy, so that's going to create a lot of noise pollution, sound pollution in the area. Less visual pollution. So if you are mining, you dig these great big holes in the ground where you're going to get the ore from the ground, and that causes a lot of visual pollution in the immediate area.